Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. In the room, they go by. We can do it anyhow. Ah, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price.
Hey guys, welcome to Yardie Belly TV, and guess what? Today I have a very special video for you guys. I want to show you how my wifey goes about making her own home-based hand sanitizer. As you know, if you have been out there at the shop, at the stores trying to get hand sanitizer, there is absolutely no hand sanitizer available on the market. We have been at several stores trying to get it, and the hand sanitizer generally is just to have on the road when you're traveling, if you need to wipe off doorknobs and then these are the things. And the wifey went ahead and did some research online and found out just how to make it on her own using a very, very small amount of ingredients. And if you have never seen this before, you're going to be like, wow, are you serious? Are you kidding me? But it's available. Let me show you the list of ingredients right quick. Yes, we start with aloe vera gel, and we have one from, our one is from Trader Joe's. You can check them out and see if they have it online. We also are using rubbing alcohol, and this is 70% alcohol. You can use up to 90 or 100% alcohol. I don't know if you have greater or higher than that. And we're using some natural essential oils, guys. And guess what? We're gonna be making a crazy hand sanitizer. Smell good, feel good, and guess what? It is sanitizing as it should sanitize. So stay tuned, the video is coming up right now. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yardie Belly TV is doing crazy things. This video is a collaboration with Natural Hairnomics, so go ahead and check out Natural Hairnomics page as well. Aha! So the thing said, big up on yourself as we stay safe and stay healthy during this period of crises. Hey
guys, so today's video is a little bit different but quite necessary. As you guys may know, or you may be experiencing the same thing too, I am unable to find a hand sanitizer anywhere under the sun. So something just went off in my head that I should probably look into finding out how hand sanitizer is made. And so I did some research and got the information, and so I figured that I would just share it with you guys in case you guys are having the same dilemma too. Pretty simple, pretty easy. 3 ingredients. You have 70% alcohol, or it doesn't have to be 70%, but alcohol, aloe vera gel, and an essential oil of your choice, just to give it a nice fragrance. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm making my own hand sanitizer. I'm using a measuring cup, putting 1/3 cups of the aloe vera gel, squirting it in my jar. Well, not squirt, scraping it into my jar. Oh, it smells good. And to that, I'm going to be adding 2/3 cup of the alcohol. And the alcohol is the property that has the antibacterial, the ingredient that has the antibacterial property. And of course, aloe vera, as you guys know, is awesome for the skin, very moisturizing, so they work awesome together. Adding that to the gel. And then I sought out a essential oil that had the same antibacterial, antiviral property, and lemon is one of them. Peppermint also could be used, and you can research whichever other oils, you know, can work that way. So I'm adding about 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 for good measure, 9 drops of the lemon oil, and that's it. Pretty much you just stir it. I'm going to pretty much cover it and shake the jar so that it incorporates nicely. Alright, so I'm testing the consistency. I want it to be a little bit thicker, so based on the texture or the consistency that you want, you can add more of the gel. So I'm going to be adding about, let me add say a 1/4 cup more. Alright, so it should be good to go now. Yeah, good to go. There you have it, your own homemade DIY hand sanitizer, and this will definitely keep you over. You will not be lacking in any antiviral protection because yeah, this is just as good. And I have an old bottle that I'm going to use to hold my sanitizer. And voila, you're good to go. Hand sanitizer, homemade style. Look at that. Good to go. So there you have it, you guys, your homemade DIY hand sanitizer. It smells amazing, and remember guys, you can, you know, adjust it to meet your preference. You could add another oil, a different essential oil will take it to, you know, a different direction, but it's all up to you. And remember you guys, this is not something that you want to use to substitute for soap. This is pretty much something that you would want to use in the interim if you do not have access to soap and running water, you know, which is the preferred way to keep your hands clean. But this is definitely, you know, awesome to be used on the road. You can put it in smaller bottles. They have the small bottles at the dollar store. You can buy them, put them in your bag, take them on the road, and keep yourself safe during, you know, this period of time when viruses are prevalent. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, rate, subscribe, and to stay tuned for my other videos. I usually post on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Thank you for watching.
So that's it, guys. With just a few more drops of essential oil, our hand sanitizer, homemade hand sanitizer, is done. Now I've seen people do several different things in terms of making turning them hand to make fashion. They have substituted the aloe vera gel, for instance, with fresh aloe vera and blend it up. They have also substituted the alcohol with white rum or any type of rum or spirits. And guys, it's just to turn you and make fashion. Once again, like, share, subscribe, and make it work.